In today's video, I will show you how to sign in to Ludo King with a Google account. First, launch the Ludo King app on your mobile device. When the game opens, you will be greeted by the main login menu. Look for the Sign In with Google button. It often features the Google G or a Play Games controller icon. Once you tap it, a list of Google accounts currently saved on your device will appear. Simply select the account you wish to use. If you want to use a different one, you can choose Add another account and enter your credentials. The game will then prompt you to allow access. After you confirm, your profile will be linked immediately. This is a great way to enable cloud saving so your coins, themes, and stats are never lost even if you switch devices. If you are already playing as a guest and want to sign in later, just tap your profile avatar in the top left corner, scroll to the bottom of your statistics page, and you will find the Google Sign In option there as well. And that's it. That's how you sign in to Ludo King with a Google account. Thank you for watching.